Yeah, good morning everyone. Nikhil this side. I'm from Raj Lakshmi Solution. I'm an implementer over here. Welcome back to the quick tutor on using the Bitrix24 to manage your marketing effectively. In this video, we will walk you through the initial features for creating a segment for a contact and company in marketing. Okay. For that, I will run through this process. Okay. For that, we need to open the marketing tool. For that we need to search a marketing tool, or you can find in the left hand side also marketing tool. I just click on that marketing tool. Okay, you can see the dashboard of the marketing tool. I will click on the email campaigning for creating the segment. So you can see the multiple templates over here. I will choose one custom template. Okay, after that one window will open. You can see the selecting the recipient segment. For that we need to create one segment. You can see in the right hand side button create option. I will click that create button. Will open one window for creating the segment. You can see the segment dashboard. You can see the pencil button for the name of the segment. I will just search monthly. I will not a search. I will just monthly offer for Bitrix24 name of my segment. Okay, and just select the contact or company. I will select a contact and I will search it, and I will remove this again. And just a minute. Okay, I just want to search only contact. Okay, searching contact. Okay, you can find the 30 emails, phones, and contact. So I will save it. Okay, it can be loading. You can see we have successfully create the segment for marketing. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for your more content. Thank you. Let you see in the next one.